Well, greetings, precious ones. I hope all is well. So listen, I had another flash like I did about the airplanes just about an hour ago. And the Lord took me back to Matthew 24, where it said there's going to be earthquakes in diverse of places. If you live here in the States, it's coming. An earthquake that was larger than any earthquake that we have ever seen. No, the Lord didn't show me where exactly within the States it would be. But I need you all to start praying. I need you all to stay prayed up, because things are beginning to come more swiftly than we think it is. There's going to be a major earthquake here in America. Major. Please start praying. Get your relationship right with God. Because we don't know if it's going to be in your area. We don't know. Who is the watchman in your home? Who is the watchman for your family? Particularly if your family members are not saved, who's watching their souls? Sometimes it's difficult, but when the Lord wakes you up at 3 and 4 o'clock in the morning, it's not just a wake-up call. That's who it is. He wants to show you some things. You want your family to be protected, your children to be protected. You want to know when to go and when not to go certain places. So that's what I want to share. Mark this. This is February 19th, my father's birthday. Happy birthday. Happy heavenly birthday, Father. This is my father's birthday. So February 19th, 2026. Wasn't sure if I was supposed to come on here, but I heard the Spirit of the Lord said, do it now, and do it quickly. Be not afraid. Please stay prayed up and prepare yourself.